Hi guys. This is where I went often at a time in my life when I was really low and I had a lot of time to myself. I released a toxic relationship. So all of a sudden I had a lot more time and I didn't want to go through that kind of relationship again. So I sat here with the plants and the tall grasses. Excuse me. I'm allergic to the sun. But I wanted you to see the grasses today. So I channeled a message and I recorded it, and it gave me so much comfort and helped me feel so much better. I now want to share it with you. I'm now in a much better place than I was when I recorded the message. So it's helped me so much, and I want to share that with you, and I hope that you get some comfort and peace from this message like I did when I really needed it. So I hope that you enjoy it. Sending you all love. I am obsessed with tall grasses. I absolutely love tall grasses. And I'm at the park and I tried a new trail today. I'm laughing because I'm trying to. Since this morning, I'm trying to get better at the mundane and not do new things. I mean, hey, I can still do new things and get good at the mundane. Yeah, I make all the rules, guys, right? Anyways, I was walking in this new trail and it's more in the woods. It's not really along the water. And I'm right now in this spot with a lot of tall grasses and no trees. And I love tall grasses. They're like my favorite, almost. Okay, trees are my favorite, but tall grasses are a close second. And I was just walking by them and just adoring how they look. And the sunlight is shining on them. It's so sunny today. It's gorgeous. It's like 2 p.m., so the sun is pretty high still, but not directly ahead. It's really beautiful. And I was just looking at the tall grasses and thinking, wow, you know, their seeds. It's like their seeds are all out. They're not green anymore. They're dry, and their seeds are just like ready for the wind or an animal to take them somewhere and let them find a good fertile ground to land on. And I was just noticing that and thinking to the tall grasses, wow, you will get all that you desire. I'm sure of it. Like, they're just standing here. And their seeds are ready. And they're not waiting, but they are waiting. They're just being. And they're not rushing. And they just know that something will whisk away the seeds. And the seeds will find a place. And maybe they will grow and maybe they won't, but that's okay because there are plenty of seeds that were produced. Not all of them can become a vibrant plant because then we'd have too many. So these tall grasses just were so inviting, and I said, oh, I want that. I want to stand and just be in the knowing that all of my desires will come true. And then I said, why not? Why can't I? So I sat down, and now I'm sitting down amongst them in this kind of flattened spot that was just too inviting. It's like the perfect size for me to sit in. I've got tall grasses all around me. And it's not too far from the path. I can still see it. I hope I don't scare a biker going by. A lot of bikers have been going on this path. Yeah, I don't want to scare someone and then they have an accident. But yeah, the sun, I'm still enough in the sun that I can feel the warmth of it, which is really nice. But it's cold today. It's definitely cold today. And I'm very close to the main trail, but they can't see me. But I can hear them. Tall grasses, do you have a message for me? I love you. Thank you for sharing this space with me. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. I love you. Yeah, we are abundant. We are manifesting in each now moment. All of our desires are coming true eventually. Let's just enjoy the sunlight. Enjoy the cool air. Enjoy the gentle movements that the breezes cause. Enjoy the beautiful view. And let all of that just be enough. And take a deep breath. Let it out. I am enough just as I am. I am love. I am light. I am truth. I am. I am love. I am light. I am truth. I am. The birds sound so beautiful. What a beautiful, magical, glorious moment. I'm so blessed to be here now, feeling this, feeling all of this. Yeah, makes me emotional to feel all this beauty and love, goodness. Goodness is beautiful. And here I am, perfect just like all of these grasses. Perfectly imperfect. Just being. Taking another deep breath. Yeah. I love tall grasses. So sweet.